How many times have you been introduced to an opportunity that you thought you could do, but you then found out you couldn't? And even worse, you found out you did not like the work involved. Do you like being creative? Do you like working with others to solve problems? Do you like being challenged, knowing you have skills and tools to meet the challenge? Join me on www.guruface.com to take a trainer-led course. This course is interesting and full of opportunities to be creative and meet challenges. You will build skills and learn how to use tools that can make you successful. The course is entitled QA Manual Testing. You will be in a class setting, but virtually present, and you will be able to interact with the trainer and other students. The course is designed to provide a comprehensive understanding of manual software testing, including its principles, techniques, and tools. The course will cover both theoretical and practical aspects of software testing and equip students with the skills and tools necessary to succeed as a software tester. The length of the course is 5 weeks with a commitment of 5 hours average time per week. You will learn about both manual and automated testing and finish the course with competent level knowledge. If you just think it might be interesting, join me. I will pique your interest. I look forward to leading you into a new career. Oh, and if you have rusty testing skills, this course is for you too.